felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. This ain't nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win.
ยังไม่ไหวเลยนะ
Learn some, but I won't hesitate no
นู่น
more.
เหรอโอ้โห
No more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
ปากตรงไหนตรงไปตรงไหน
Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart, love and love. Listen to the music of the moment. People dance and sing. We're just one big family. It's our God intended right to be loved. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to hurry. Our time, our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you want to come on? Scooch on over here. I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. So I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind, see like me. Open up your plans, damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find it. The sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. the humility test. And you guys are doing just fine. Everyone's a human in this room tonight.
นี่ซูเปอร์แมน
I recently heard someone say
ซูเปอร์แมนภาคไหน
every living creature thinks it's human. Every living thing thinks it's the center of this whole damn thing. And in a way, that's kind of correct. Cause you can only see from you. You can only see within you. Nobody else knows whether or not you are being true. Whether or not you are you, only you know who that is. And sometimes you don't know who the fuck that is. All you can do